until midnight.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Washington County and north-central Maryland, northeastern Jefferson County and the Panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Berkeley County and the Panhandle of West Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shepherdstown, moving southbound at 15 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Shepherdstown, Berkeley, Falling Waters, Sharpsburg, Fairplay, Lawrenceville, and Antietam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.